Rivian Automotive Incorporated has made history in Normal, Illinois, bringing the auto industry's first fully battery-powered electric pickup to market and capping a years-long process that has transformed the formerly empty factory. Founder and CEO R.J. Scaring drove the company's inaugural R1T pickup off the production line for customer delivery following months of production delays. The Irvine, California-based company has spent months expanding the massive former Mitsubishi automobile plant in West Normal and has raised about $10.5 billion in private investment since 2019. Founded in 2009, Rivian is developing the R1T, a sport utility vehicle called the R1S, and 100,000 electric delivery vans for Amazon, a major investor in the company.